Welcome to Precalculus Online. This video is meant to help students be successful in the course by making sure they understand the course policies and also how to navigate the D2L website and also the ALEX website. And the ALEX website is where you will complete your homework, quizzes, and 3 exams. So let's jump right on in. Right when you log into the D2L course, you will see Precalculus Online Spring 2025. And I am viewing this as a student, so your top bar tab choices will look just like this. And here you'll see your first announcement welcoming you to the course and also letting you know the place to start is to click on the Content tab. Before we jump into that, I want to share something new that we have at Lone Star, and that is this Syllabus tab. And when you click the syllabus, you will go to something called Simple Syllabus. It is brand new for Lone Star, and you will acknowledge reading the syllabus. So once you go through and read, and here is a link to the video that you are watching right now, and once you read through everything here, and then we'll go all the way down here to the bottom, you will see acknowledge that you have read the course syllabus. Okay, at the bottom you can see our course calendar. You can see how fast this course moves. We start on a Wednesday, March 19th, and then Sunday you have 3 sections of lessons, and that includes video lessons, notes, and then a quiz to take before Sunday. You can see each week is packed with work. So we do have 16 weeks of material that we cover in just over 7 weeks. So you will have to make sure you keep a copy of the course calendar handy, and I will show you how to find that. So let's go to the top of the page of this syllabus. I'm not going to read through this whole syllabus, but I wanted to show you a few things that you need to know. You can use these tabs on the left-hand side. Here's your course information, instructor information, the overview of the course. Here's your student learning objectives. What is required for the course? This is super important. You will need to purchase an ALEX access code, and that link is in D2L. I'm going to show you where that is. You do not have to purchase a hard copy of the textbook. If you choose to do so, here's the ISBN 13. Feel free to purchase a hard copy. You do have some technology requirements. These are not optional. You will need a TI 83 or 84 calculator only. They can be regular, they can be plus, they can be CE, but it has to say 83 or 84. If you have another calculator and you really want to use it, you can send me a picture of it and I will let you know if it's approved or not. More than likely, it will not be approved. You also have to have a dependable computer and dependable internet. This is a fully online course. Not having internet, having a broken computer, any of those are not excuses, and that will not allow any extensions for any work. You also need a fully working webcam. It does need to be external and not the one that is within a laptop, unless somehow you can get the required views. I'll show you where to find that. Here's some very important course dates. We've got an ODR of March 24th if you have not submitted any work by that day. Lone Star, and that means homework. First homework assignment in ALEX. You will be dropped from the course by system office. Also, if you would like to withdraw from the course, you're not happy with your grade or something happens, you will need to do that on or before April 28th in order to earn the W. Okay, if you want to see how your grades are determined, here you can see the percentages of each type of assignment. I get a lot of emails, well, I worked the review and I don't see my grade. The reviews are optional. There are only 3 grades collected in this course: homework, quiz, and exams. All of your lessons, all of your reviews are needed, but you do not earn credit for those. And so course policies, you can read through those. I did want to show you here very important details about your homework, about your quizzes, and about your exams. So please make sure you read through those. You do get 2 attempts on your quizzes, and you can actually review your first attempt before you take your second attempt. You also have your exams. Both your quizzes and your exams have a 3-hour time limit. Your quizzes, however, are open book, open note. Take your time. Use them also as a learning experience, okay? And then here you can read through all of the policies if you need some support, lots of student support. And let's go back up to course information. Okay. Back, and so that's where you will find the course syllabus. No need to print it or anything. So here's our home page. Every week you will have a welcome to week, whatever week it is, announcement, and I'll just go over what's expected for the week, and then I'll have some announcements throughout the week. Okay, so you should check this website at least twice a week. I suggest about every other day, but you should be checking the website for announcements, okay? Where to start, click on the Content tab. The Content tab is where it's all at, okay? So as you can see, you can start up here with the table of contents, but why don't we start here with ALEKS registration? As you can see, here's where you will click on this tab and you can purchase your access code. Now, this tab will also have you log into an account that you may already have with ALEKS or McGraw-Hill, and you may not need to make a purchase, okay? It just depends on if you've used our textbook before. So you need to do one of the following: purchase an access code, enter an access code, or use this financial aid access code, and it gives you a couple of weeks, but you do have to purchase it. You will not be able to get into ALEKS if this expires. So it's really important to just use this if you need a few extra days. So once you have purchased your access code, you can proceed. Here is the format of the course. It is completely online. I would highly suggest printing a copy of the course calendar, which you'll be able to find under this course information tab. This is the D2L website. This website is our home base. All of these links here have links that take you directly into ALEKS after you have purchased an access code, and that's how you will get into your ebook, your homework, your quizzes, and your exams. Again, you have 2 attempts for quizzes with a 3-hour time limit. You have 3-hour time limit. This should be 3-hour time limit, but you will be using a lockdown browser with a webcam, and that is all right here under this tab. And I do ask that when you are working on your ALEKS homework that you exhaust all other options before clicking contact the instructor, because what usually happens is when I get the message and I work the problem, the student says they have already figured it out. Okay, course information. Here's where you can get your course calendar. Here is a TI-84 calculator guide that is searchable. Here's a tutoring flyer. Here's where you can get some tutoring if you need some help at no cost, and you can look through that. Here is also under this tab our course calendar, and this is a single PDF page that you can print. It looks just like the one at the bottom of the syllabus. Okay, so all of these will offer a lot of support for you, and here is our required testing tab, and it has its own tab because it has a lot of information. So you do need a password for your exams, and it is called Begin Mock. And for the mock exam, you will need a password and you will use begin mock. It does not count towards your grade, but you have to earn 100% on it before you are allowed to begin testing in the course. Now, how do you earn 100? I have to review it first. You will get to about 90% and then I will review the last question, and once you hit 100, you are approved. Please read through these objectives. Why are you even taking a mock exam? These are the required views for testing for your 3 exams. These are not acceptable. You will not earn your grade for the exam. So I must see your workspace throughout the entire exam. Please read through these details. You can use your cell phone and download this app. You will also need the app for your camera. Basically, what this does is it tells your computer to not use the camera on your computer, but to use the cell phone. I was able to use this Camo app and I set everything up in less than 5 minutes and it worked great. So you should be able to do that. Here is your setup for the lockdown browser. Here is the mock exam link. And again, here is the password for your mock exam. Let's quickly take a look. Every unit 1, 2, and 3 has a folder. Every unit has a quiz folder, and every unit has an exam folder. Let's take a look what's in these folders. Every section of work, as you can see, has blank notes, video lessons, and completed notes. So taking a look at blank notes, these are the ones that you'll fill in when you watch the video. And then if you want to look at the completed notes, you can see the completed notes here, and these are completed by me, and you will fill those in while you are watching the video. And then you will have a video lesson, and this will take you to my YouTube channel.
As I'm in the midst of applying for residency right now, wish me luck. Grammarly has again been a lifesaver.
Has the videos for those sections.
The addition.
So you can see these videos are my videos for each section.
Y is equal to 20.
And then you have some optional lecture videos. And these optional lecture videos, if you click on this button, will take you into Alex. And these videos are written by your author, and they work examples in the section. Let me show you. So this section 8.1 has 7 videos. They are very short, but they go through all of the detail that you need.
A system of 2 linear equations and 2 variables is represented graphically as a pair.
They do a great job of working an example of each type of problem for each section. And then the last is this homework tab, and it'll take you right into Alex to complete your homework. So you have that for every section of work we cover, and then you will have a quiz folder. Each quiz has a password, and then you will have an exam folder. And the exam has a password, but if you look down here, here's your review for the exam and the actual exam tab. Okay, and you can work the reviews as many times as you want, and they do represent what questions will look like on the actual exam. So as you can see, we have that for each unit. And I did want to talk about one more thing. You are allowed to have an index card, 3 by 5, and you can cut paper to that size if you'd like. And you can write anything you would like on both sides, and you will show that in the video when you are taking your exam. So I hope that this has helped you better understand the course and how to navigate it. Again, here's our course syllabus, and here is our content tab. We also do have a discussion board if you would like to find a study group or request working with some students in the class, or maybe you have some tips you'd like to share with your classmates. Okay, I hope this video helps.